Dear students, today we will start with the gastric emptying or regulatory factors of the gastric emptying. Gastric emptying is regulated by both neural and hormonal mechanisms. The main mechanisms which are important for regulator of gastric emptying are related with the duodenum. Means acidity एसिडिक काइम यदि ड्यूटेनम में पड़ता है तो डिले होगी गैस्ट्रिक एम्पटाइम. फैटी एसिड्स एंड फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स ड्यूटेनम में बढ़ते हैं, मींस डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट ज्यादा होता है, फैट तो गैस्ट्रिक एम्पटाइम डिले होगा. हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशंस यदि ज्यादा होते हैं ड्यूटेनम में देन गैस्ट्रिक एम्पटाइम डिले होगा. प्रोटीन डाइजेस्टिव प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक पेप्टाइड्स एंड अमीनो एसिड्स ड्यूटेनम में ज्यादा होते हैं, then the gastric emptying will be delayed. Volume of meal, if it is large, reaching to the duodenum, then also the gastric emptying will be delayed because of the large volume. It's longer time for gastric emptying. The stretching of the duodenal wall by the chyme initiate the, if large volume is reaching to the duodenum, that may stretch the duodenal wall, and that will initiate the gastric emptying enterogastric reflex, which delayed the gastric emptying. And some neural factors and hormonal factors. Neural factors means vagal fibers or vagal nerve stimulate the gastric emptying, while the sympathetic activity decrease the gastric emptying. But if we do the vagotomy, then gastric stasis will be seen. And so in peptic ulcer patients, we do the vagotomy to decrease the release of the acid in the, or prevent the peptic ulcer in the person. So these are the, and next one is the hormonal factors. Hormonal factors like hormones are gastric CCK hormone, polycystokinin hormone, gastrin hormone, polycystokinin hormone, gastrin hormone, GIP, gastrointestinal peptides hormone. These are the hormones which delay the gastric emptying. Now we will see one by one. In the acid in the duodenum, a decrease in the pH or increase in the acidity in the duodenal content decrease the gastric emptying by the mechanism of secreting the secretin hormone, by releasing the secretin hormone, which causing the delay in the gastric emptying by the two mechanism, by inhibiting the contraction of antrum and by stimulating the contraction of pyloric sphincter. This is one mechanism. Other one is product of fatty acids, products of the fat digestion like fatty acids and fat molecules inhibit the gastric emptying. By this mechanism is mediated by cholecystokinin and intestinal peptides, which delay the gastric emptying. Osmolality in the duodenal content. If the chyme entering the duodenum has higher osmolality, hypertonic solutions reaching to the duodenum, that decrease the gastric emptying, that inhibit the gastric emptying. Product of proteins, protein digestion also causing the gastric emptying by releasing the gastrin hormone, What gastrin hormone do? It increases the antral contraction, but at the same time it increases the pyloric sphincter significantly. Net effect will decrease the gastric emptying. Large volume, as we have also discussed, large volume takes longer time for emptying, as liquid is faster emptying. Stretching of the hormone is initiate the enterogastric reflex, which inhibit the gastric emptying. Neural factors, vagal stimulation promote the gastric emptying. Vagotomy produces the gastritis. Whenever vagotomy is performed for the treatment of peptic ulcer, usually a drainage procedure like pyloroplasty or gastrojejunostomy is performed to ensure the proper passage of food from the stomach and the duodenum. Sympathetic activity inhibits the gastric emptying. Hormonal factors, as we already seen, the cholecystokinin, GIP, secretin inhibit the gastric emptying. So these are the some factors which regulate the gastric emptying. Next one. If there is any dysfunction in the gastric emptying, what may be the dysfunction? Delayed gastric emptying. Delayed gastric emptying may be because of the autonomic neuropathy. Autonomic neuropathy. Autonomic neuropathy means sympathetic fiber, parasympathetic fibers. If they get damaged or neuropathy is occur, then there will be a delay in gastric emptying. Paralysis of the vagal nerve, also called gastroparesis, decrease the gastric emptying. Another condition is hypertrophic pyloric stenosis that cause the gastric stasis. This typically presents in a 1.5-month infant baby, which is having a significant pyloric stenosis, or pyloric sphincter is significantly tight. So the gastric content cannot go in the further and produces a vomiting after the feed. Next is a rapid gastric emptying. Normally, vagal stimulation promotes the gastric emptying. Therefore, the states of increased vagal activity increase the emptying. Means emotional activity में ये जब vagal stimulation होगा तो emptying बढ़ जाएगी. Sympathetic stimulation inhibits the gastric emptying. Therefore, loss of the appetite is a feature of acute stress and a state of sympathetic overactivity. Hormones like thyroxine stimulate the gastric emptying and intestinal motility. Increased liquid content of the food increases the gastric emptying. So that we ask more liquid. Thank you, love you.